Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using the Botim app to send and receive money but aren't sure how to move your balance to your bank account, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to withdraw money from your Botim wallet quickly, safely, and without any confusion. So, let's get started. Open the Botim app on your phone and head over to the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on Wallet, then select Balance. Once you're on your balance page, look for the Withdraw button and tap it to begin your withdrawal. Next, enter your bank details carefully. If you're withdrawing to a UAE bank account, make sure to input your IBAN and any other required information accurately. Double-check these details before continuing to avoid delays. Once everything looks good, review the withdrawal summary, including any small fees that may apply, and confirm the transaction. Now just wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. For international transfers, you'll need to add a beneficiary first and follow the extra steps required for sending money overseas. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your balance from Botim to your bank account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.